Nature is material world is the potential of Krishna, not Maya. My potency, not Maya. Devi, Devi Prakriti is my potency. And Tiriguni, Gudmai, three Guni. The good mood of passion, mood of ignorance, and mood of goodness.
এটা কখন গেল
Gudmai. And Duratya.
পুরা ঘুরে ফেলছো তুমি মন্দির কালকে যাবে না তাহলে
to deal with this material world. That is very difficult.
রাজাকুণ্ডে সম্পূর্ণ ঘুরে আসছো
This life is not easy.
ছবি তুলছো
We say, how are you? Everybody reply, fine, good. But nothing good, nothing fine here. Because Krishna said, throughout this world, Dukhalyam Ashashvata. Dukhalyam Ashashvata. Ashashvata means the temporary. Dukhalyam means the full of miseries, full of suffering. This one. Everyone, Prahlad Maharaj also says in the Bhagavatam 7th canto, Padam Padam Yadam Vipidam Natesham. There is danger at every step. So, what to do? See, each and every person running after happiness, isn't it? Each and every person running after happiness. But very few know the true happiness. How can attain true happiness? Very few know. So Bhagavatam said, Sukdev Goswami said in Bhagavatam about the happiness. How one can be happy, how a soul may be happy. Someone say, when I be rich person, I will be happy. But is it possible? Are rich person are happy? So many rich persons society, have society, their life, keep their life. Because they are not happy in their personal life. We can see, oh, he is a rich person. But he is not happy in his personal life. Wealth cannot make you happy. That is not true. Wealth give you comfort. Give you comfort, but not happiness. And comfort belongs to this body, because comfort is material. All we opulences were accumulating, these all are material. This body is also material. So the material comfort cannot give relief to the spirit soul. Soul is the spirit. So only spirituality can give relief to the spiritual soul. So Sukdev Goswami said, Save Punsa, you can recite out it, Save Punsa, Parodharme, Yator Bhakti, Adhokchaje, Ahetuki, Apratihata, Yatma, Suprasidati. Very nice words in Bhagavatam. Save Punsa, Save means the all, Punsa means the human being, Paro means the ultimate, Dharma means the duty. The ultimate duty of all human beings is the Yatur Bhakti Adhokchaje, to render service unto lotus feet of Supreme Lord. Adhokchaje is the name of Krishna. Yatur Bhakti Adhokchaje. And how? Ahetuki Apratihata. Ahetuki means without material desire. Hetu means the desire, but there may be desire. If you have desire to please Krishna, to please your spiritual master, that is good desire. And if you have desired to fulfill to satisfy your senses for sense gratifications, this is not good desire. So, ahetuki means without material desire. And apratihata means without obstacles. Without obstacles. Continuously. Satatam kirtiyanto Vishnu, always. Satatam. Not for a week, not for a month, not for a year. Satatam, always, whole life. Satatam kirtiyanto Vishnu. So, Krishna also says in Bhagavad Gita, Manmana bhav mad bhakto madhyajnam. Think upon me always. Think upon me. So, if we do the render service unto lotus feet of Supreme Lord, then we can be happy. This is only the way to be happy in our life. Without devotion, no one can be happy. By earning the money, by making very, very fame, no one can be happy.
এইটাতে আমি পরটাতে যেটো কমন আছে এটা নাই পরটাতে সাউন্ড বন্ধ করে দিছি এখানেই আছে
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu did the five process of the devotion. One can attain 5 or attain 1 of 5 can attain love of Krishna. And not only love of Krishna, Supreme Lord.
এটা হচ্ছে আমাদের পরবর্তী প্রোগ্রাম। এরপরে কি প্রোগ্রাম বলবো আমরা আপাতত কিছু ভাগবত পাচ্ছি। তারপরে তোমার সাথে কথা হচ্ছে। ওকে, গুড বাই, গুড বাই।
Reciting
Next
Holy
video.
Name of